Hello, it's Adam Grumbo here. We're checking out some footage from the Canon R5 8K. This is RAW. You can see it's RAW up here because you can adjust your RAW settings. So let's go ahead and reset these back to how it was shot. And I like working with wide DR. Other people might like working in Canon log. Not me. That's pretty close. We're going to pull up our Lumetri scopes. Nice wide dynamic range there. If you want to fiddle with it, I would add a little more contrast and push these whites and these midtones up a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. I think their light here is a little too orange. And we can fix that with our color temperatures. Bring it down a hair. It didn't reset. There we go. Exposure. Now we got to look at our scopes. I mean, that looks good. Let's see how well it plays. I have it on quarter resolution. I mean, it plays perfectly fine on quarter resolution. What does it look like on half resolution? Now, half resolution should be close to what it looks like on the 4K screen that I'm using. Yeah, it's skipping some a little bit there. And with full resolution, so it's playing back the 8K file, but it's downscaling it to 4K on my screen. It certainly does not like trying to edit it at full 8K. That's fine. That's what this whole thing was created for, right there, to make it easier to play it back. And scrubbing forward. Yeah. Edits real nicely on here, even when scrubbing. But I've got a pretty fast computer, so who knows what it would do on a normal computer. Let me pump this up to 200%. 200% will be more indicative of what it might look like if you scaled it. That's actually a terrific image as far as I'm concerned. It looks like actual good 8K. She's got either lipstick or coffee grounds on her teeth. That's fascinating, but the image quality is stellar. Man alive. That is a killer image. Yeah, I think maybe we're a little blue. Put that back up a little bit. Oh, nice. That is a sharp image. You can even see the pattern of her contact lenses. That's crazy. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. She's got a pattern on her contact lenses that you can see the printout on. That is wild and amazing. Anyways, it's going to be exciting. Like 3 more weeks till we can get these in our hands and start watching our computers explode and our cameras start on fire. Yeah, this image is great. Look at the dynamic range of the window. Got good shadows here and window. Let's look at our scopes. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, it does not like playing back in 8K, but ooh, that's a pretty image. Anyways, get excited. Here it comes.